Hello fellow Dachshund lovers. I bought my Dushy Fritz for the companionship and love that they are famous for. Unfortunately, I found out without proper training he was a bit of a handful. Now, if you'd like, please have a look at the rest of my video, and I've got a message for you at the end. Thanks for watching. So, after searching the net, I finally discovered a source that could really train Fritz to be the ideal companion. I highly recommend that you click on the link below for important information. Plus, you get a free mini course on raising your Dachshund. Thank you for watching my video.